Welcome to Mind Vomit. Today's video, I decided to try something I never tried before with Photoshop. I see people use Photoshop all the time to do their artwork, and they go in and they outline it, and then they do their like gray scale shading, shadows, whatever, and then they like start painting over the top with transparent colors because the grayscale colors underneath bring shadows and highlights to those colors and stuff. So I decided to try it. I decided I'd try it out and see how it looked and stuff. And you know, it's one of those things, like, I've outlined my artwork before in Illustrator, and you know, I had really crisp, clean lines, crisp and clean, if I can speak right. And then I would go into Photoshop and I would paint it, and it had a better depth and detail and shadows and highlights, and you could add these texture effects like you'll see in this artwork where I add a little bit of veining, a little bit of splotchiness in the skin and stuff. But I don't know, I like Illustrator better because I can use it in multiple different products. I can scale it up and down. I like how clean the artwork is, and I kind of like that cartoony vibe. I mean, I do want to learn Photoshop more. I just, not right now. I have too many things I gotta do. Like Mind Vomit is busy making things. I am busy making things. I'm trying to make products. I'm trying to consolidate all my stores into one store. I'm trying to actually create earrings and things with my own designs, which you may see in a future video. So I'm pretty busy right now, and I'm just trying new things, different things, just trying to figure out all kinds of stuff. And there'll be videos coming on that in the future. Whatever, it's all coming. But anyway, in this video, I'm just working with Photoshop, and I'm just trying it out, just seeing how it looks like with my artwork. And I had drawn this zombie punk rocker kind of dude, and I just wanted to see what it looked like. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy it. And check out my other videos for other artwork, and keep coming back because I've got lots of ideas and not enough time to do them, but whatever, they're coming. So thanks for watching.